Hi everyone, 2025 now for you Aries gives you a time for you to absolutely revamp yourself, re-evaluate yourself and let go of all the old patterns and to come out of your comfort zones. I'm Sharon S. Monija welcoming you to Avenues. Do not forget to subscribe, join the family, stay connected and share this with family and friends as well. So we will look at every aspect that will impact you this year. So I will start with your careers this year. So now, like I said, okay, importantly, what we see that certain patterns that you have been following or certain practices, your working style, the way you have been working now for the first, 3 months of the year would need to start changing, okay, because you will even see that your style of working is not going to now help you or not going to serve you in any way. So like I said, you need to now reevaluate, okay, reevaluate your leadership skills, reevaluate the way you interact with people, okay, you need upgradation now. So upgradation could even mean changing the mindset, the way you approach people, the way you interact with people. Okay. Now you may have, these very distorted conversations, or you may be having these very disturbed conversations towards the start of the year. You may be working with people who have totally different leadership skills or totally different ways of approaching a situation. So now that is what is going to be calling for adaptation in the start of the year. Now, along with adaptation, for you to even upgrade yourself, there could be new skills that you need to learn, new opportunities you need to adjust with. So, if there's a skill, there's a particular thing you need to take up this year, do not forget to start investing in yourself. Okay, take up those skills, start learning, and totally revamp yourself. Change your perspective from the way you have been working from now onwards. Okay. And yes, importantly, you need to get out of your comfort zone, especially post the month of May. It may call for a lot of hard work, a lot of changes that you need to adjust to. And that definitely comes in from the month of May. And we look forward that you will eventually grow with all those changes coming your way. Now, even for people from the business perspective, there could be new business opportunities coming your way. Something that is different, something you need to reevaluate. Okay, maybe the kind of product that you're using, or maybe the way you are functioning, that needs a complete reevaluation. Okay, so if you need to take advice, always take advice from someone in the profession that you are in. Okay, take the support that you need. Okay, reevaluate the way you are doing business, especially from the month of May. Like I said, it may call for new patterns, new strategies, okay, new plans to be implemented, but that will help you to grow your finances post the month of May. Okay, so that's the time for revamping and hitting the restart button. Get back with a lot of energy now. Okay, now the next thing that we can actually look at of yours, which is important, is your health perspective. Okay. Now I see your health has a lot of issues this year. Okay. Because you're so disturbed in the start of the year, you're finding a lot of stress. Okay. You're not able to get that balance between work and your personal life. You're not able to get the rest that you're looking for. Your brain feels a lot of work, and because it is overworked, you have this irritable behavior or mentality that may have some impacts. Now, you don't want this to backfire in your work front or in your businesses. So, there's a few things which we see, especially in the month of April and May. It does look like you're going to catch a lot of allergies, a lot of flus with the change of weather. Now, if you had any past joint issues or bone issues, that is even going to be start playing up. Now, a very, very important word of precaution and for you to be aware of is post the month of August and September, there seems to be some issues, concerns related to any blood related issues. Okay, so it could be some imbalances, it could be some deficiency, something that is related to the blood issue area in your systems. Okay, that needs a lot of care, it needs a lot of precaution, and do not forget that you need to get that rectified and you need to get that actually taken to a specialist and checked. Please do not neglect your health post the month of September. Okay, importantly, because your mindset is a little bit disturbed in the starting of the year, you need to be careful whilst driving. Okay, if you have any kind of emotional turmoil, okay, please be careful while driving. Okay, and you need to take care of that. Okay, so you don't want unnecessary issues happening on the roads as well. Okay, I will be giving you remedies for that. I'll just check into the next sector of yours as well. So now, like I said, your career is going to be improving. You're going to be getting a lot of career opportunities and advancements. That now will help your finances as well. Your finances will start stabilizing post the month of March and April. Okay. But like I said, for this growth and for your finances to build, you need to build yourself first. Okay. And work on yourself first. And that will pay off in the long run for you. Now, also importantly, you will get opportunities as well for doing investments. Now, if you've invested in some kind of property, say some time ago or a long time ago, that is something that will bear fruit for you now and it will be very profitable for you now. So let's say if you had booked maybe your dream house or you booked, some vacation place of yours, that is something that you will reap the harvest for in this year. And if you're looking to do investments in land and in property, this is a good time as well for you. It is also a good time if you want to do investments in metals like silver and gold. So even for people who are in the business front, silver, gold, metals, the production field, okay, any field that you even have some kind of metal usage somewhere, that is going to be very profitable for you in the long run. So you can reevaluate again. For you Aries, let's look at the next aspect that would be in your relationships. So like I said, since you feel very disturbed and very irritable, you need to be a little bit careful with your speech and the way you communicate with the people around you. So you do have a lot of supportive people around you and you just need to be watchful of that. Now you may even have certain arguments, you may have misunderstandings, you may have some communication rifts happening within your personal front or with family members. So just be a little bit careful, take a step back, just think about the situation and then react. Okay, so avoid all these small little things which could again add up to issues later on, and you don't want all that adding up again this year. And yes, now let's look at the students. For you students, it is a great year for you to give all the competitive exams, okay, from a professional front. If there's a particular degree that you want to complete, and like I said, if you want to excel in your careers, in your businesses, and you think you really need to work on those growth opportunities, this is the time for you to crack those exams. And even for students, you're going to crack those exams and come out with great results. But remember, the answer out of here is that for the first 6 months, you really need to work hard, you need to study hard, and have a proper action plan in place to get those great results. Now, for you, Aries, let's come to the main part, which is your remedies for this year. So, like I said, now you have a lot of these. You're not having a peace of mind of recent, and you need to get this mind map, and you need to get your stability, which is very important as of now. So when I say for stability, this is a time, this is a year that you would need to focus on a lot of grounding and a lot of meditation to get your thought process correct. Okay, and it is actually helping you in your career and in your relationships as well. So for that, it is very important you connect with nature, you practice a lot of breathing exercises, do these guided meditations. So if you want, you can get in touch with me for these guided meditations, especially on the full moon. Get one meditation done for every full moon each month. And by the time you reach the end of the year, you will actually see those results. You can sit in nature as well, that will help you. Importantly, you can even get a few plants, keep them at home, and you need to start watering that early morning and just picturize yourself connecting with nature and appreciating nature around you. Another important tip for you this year, do some donations, especially in holy places, places of worship. Feed the poor and the needy around there. That will bring you a lot of blessings and a lot of good luck this year. And yes, for your perspective of your health and to avoid mishaps, do not forget to implement these crystals. You can get clear quartz, you can get carnelian, and you can even get red jasper and try and wear that. Now, one very beneficial tip for you this year is, this is my pro tip I'm giving you. You need to wear a little bit of silver, something in silver on your right hand, and try and keep that on this year. And you will see the wonders starting to work. To implement the remedies, share this with family and friends, and wishing you all a very happy, blessed, healthy 2025.